So Chapter 14, Estimating Liquidity Risk from Dowd, is really about liquidity adjusted value at risk. And liquidity is the ability of the trader to execute a trade or liquidate a position with little or no cost, risk, or inconvenience. And we see that it's both a function of the market and of the instrument or position itself. In regard to the market, it can depend on the number of traders, frequency and size of trades, time it takes to carry out a trade, and the cost of transacting the trade. But it can also be a function of the position or instrument. In particular, if it's an exchange-traded position like a futures contract, that's going to be more liquid, offer less liquidity risk than customized over-the-counter position with a counterparty. And so in terms of the graphic that I've used, we tend to normally think about liquidity risk in at least the two dimensions. If we think about the price here vertically, tightness or width is usually represented by the bid-ask spread. And we're going to see that that reflects an exogenous risk factor, exogenous with an X. And then that's different than the fact that our position may be large enough to actually impact the price if we try to exit, or as we go to exit the position or sell the position. And that's sometimes called depth. And we'll see that that reflects an endogenous liquidity risk factor. And they're not mutually exclusive. At the end of the discussion, Dowd shows how they can both be used together. And so the bid-ask spread there is our classic measure of liquidity risk as an exogenous with an X risk factor. And we measure this pretty consistently, just like we do with Joring here. If the ask is 540 and the bid is 530, then the spread is 10 cents